What y'all got, BB gun? Oh, okay. All y'all got BB guns? All of them? Oh, okay. Lord, they say yes, ma'am. The kids next door, they got BB guns. See them out there, y'all? Look at that. See that? This is the South. This is how they, I guess, they raise their children. You know, they with these guns in the South. You can bear arms in the South. Uh, I guess that's why that man was walking around with that gun on him, but it was concealed, and he killed that boy. And now he on trial for murder. Man, I ain't never had no guns in my house. But in the South, it's different. Hey, bear arms. All right, then. Just want to show you guys. That's what they do down here. Yeah.